So this is where you're understanding real selling, guys, not scripts. If something is going down, 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 why the fuck have you not done something about it? If something's going down and then it goes up again, then it goes down, then it goes up again, within reason, there's a rational answer of like, well, every time I think it's bad, it goes back up again. And then like, we're okay again. And then it goes down. Now, you could still, in that case, make the argument, yeah, but you've been running this cycle for 3 or 4 cycles. So was the second or third cycle not enough for you to think, hang on, is this normal? Should it be going up, down, up, down, up, down? But how do I navigate the conversation when I don't know what I'm navigating? Am I navigating a conversation which is, hang on a second, Faith, your business has gone down consistently every year, and I need to have a conversation with you about this and what you've been doing and why you've not fixed it? Or am I having a conversation of, okay, you've been up, down, up, down, up, down. How's that experience been for you? And was there not a certain cycle when you realized, actually, maybe I should explore this? I don't know how to ask my next questions if I don't know what I'm asking about. Am I asking about this or am I asking about that? Does this make sense, guys? Like why this is so important and why the data determines the conversation. If you don't know the data, you won't know how to converse with the prospect.
Also, if this was just like another dip, like why would I pay for you to help me when I know it's just going to come back up?
Exactly. So what I need to talk about and how I therefore talk about it is entirely contextual to your situation. So when you're gathering data and someone says, okay, this problem started here and it ended here, and you've got this huge gap in the middle of knowing, well, what the fuck happened for the 5 years in between, you can't go anywhere else in the sales call and just guess because you will get it wrong. Does this help to visualize this, guys, to understand what you're doing? Okay. All right. So give that another go.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So Faith, I'm clear on that front where pre-COVID times, you're doing about 5 to 10 sales per month. And now you noticed over the last 3 to 4 months that it's only been about 1 sale a month. So if we're looking over the past 6 years, then over the last 6 years, did you notice that
you're thinking too hard of like, how do I say this as a sales question? Listen, over those last, and use your fucking hands, over the last 6 years, was it like down, 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 or was it like up, down, up, down? Now, people would hear that and be like, Josh sounds like a spastic, like, but it's like, well, that's a real conversation. Like, I'm not trying to have this perfectly worded out questions. It's like, I'm confused. In my head, I've got these 2 images and I'm trying to get you to tell me which one's right. Let me draw the images for you and say, is this one the right image or is this one the right image? It's about being real with like, what are you confused on? And ask it how you would ask it if you were talking to a friend. Whereas right now you're trying to talk like a salesperson, and that's why you're stumbling over your own feet. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.